Hello, everyone, and welcome to yet another unfolding, as you've seen in the title, and that's what brought you here. So, yep, let's get this show on the road. Let's get it started. Oh, wow. Okay, so this is, I guess, the first time I'm seeing that kind of paper, the snake skin or something, I would call it. But yeah, I guess it's the recycled paper, the paperwork. Let's get rid of that. Oh wow. So it's not supposed to be this fat, but I got a deal from Samsung Shop app, and that's why the phone and like the whole package looks bulky. And there it is. It's, let's see, the smart tag, one pack, and super fast wall charger, 25 watts. So they don't give wall charger, that's why, and the flip cover with S Pen. So it does come with S Pen, and then the Z Fold 3. Alright, let's open it. Wow, man. Okay, I'm super excited. That's my first fold phone, and compared to the Note 10 Plus, that's how that looked. Now for the accessories, the SIM card remover. Let's see what's inside this. Probably, I don't know, yeah. So the cable, no power brick, just the USB-C cable, and that will go with 25-watt wall charger. So that's pretty neat. There we go. And it has what, 1, 2, 3 mics, 1 speaker, the power button and volume rocker. What else? Okay, the SIM card tray is on the left. Now in the presentation it was 2 SIM, but I'm not sure US has double SIM. Oh, the opening of new phone. That sound, the crispiness. So that looks sleek. Alright, let's get, and yep, it is single SIM. So they did say dual SIM, but I guess US does not allow dual SIM phones or something, or some, I don't know. But yeah, it only has 1 SIM. To be honest, seriously, I'm gonna put the cover first. Okay, that's the case itself, the S Pen. It's not that different, just a little fat and softer tip. Yep. It says Fold Edition, if you can't read that. And oh, look at that, the tip replacement tool that a lot of people don't know about and most people don't use it. Cool snap. Let's see. Okay, that folds. Now let's put the S Pen. I'm not sure. Oh wait, nope, that seems wrong. Yeah, so the tip is secured inside, and yeah, okay, so it's not, as expected, like the Note 10s and that we've been used to, but it's kind of an adjustment. But it tucks in at the back neatly. Let's start this baby up. Look at that. Huh. I don't know, it feels small. The Note series feels small. Huh. When you don't close it, you can still see it. Alrighty. Let's start. Few legal items. Yeah. Nah, I'm not sending. Nope. Nope. Alright. Let's put the SIM card in. So if you're like me and you had a 4G phone, but now it's 5G, look at that. Okay, that's cool. I thought I would have to get a new SIM card and everything, but no. Alright, that's not bad. Just put the SIM card in and it will automatically update or configure to 5G. Look at that. I'm getting 5G. Okay, you see that? Like, there is no screen on top of that, like screen protector. And you see that front facing camera. Look at that. You kind of see pixels, but it's not really that visible unless you're looking for it. Okay, let's see, it's still getting ready. And okay, copy apps and data. Let's see. Yes, definitely. And get connected. Yeah. Oh wow. Okay, and there it is. Cool. So while it's transferring data from my Note 10 Plus, why not, let's keep it aside and unbox the smart tag, the only one pack. Dogs, luggage. Okay. So there is not much to it. A quick start guide, and that's it. That's all there is to it. Okay, that's really small. I don't know, I never held a smart tag, but yeah, it is comparatively small. Cool. So that is smart tags. We got the case out of the way, the Galaxy smart tag. It's still transferring. Okay, let's see how the S Pen of the Note 10 Plus. Oh, look at that. As soon as you touch it, you get a warning. That's neat. Okay, let's do face recognition. So, continue. Do you wear glasses? No. Oh my god. Okay, that was very fast. I don't want to swipe and all that. Yes, I don't want a faster recognition. Would you look at that? Taking care of your phone. Only use S Pen recommended. Menu, make sure there's nothing inside, such as card. It's not dust resistant. Sand may cause damage. The phone is water resistant though. Nice. That's a first. Okay, let's see. That's oh my god, I love this thing. Alright. Alright, folks. So, there it is. Completing setup. Now let's see. So that locks, and then, fast recognition. Cool. Okay. But when we're doing this, it's a little hard. And there we go. Samsung free, we got that. Since it's a tablet and actual phablet, there's Netflix. We will get rid of those. Let's try the S Pen. Now the S Pen is behind. Create note. Okay. And there it is. I mean, it does not feel very weird. It feels same as the S Pen in the Note. So it does not work here. Look at that. Samsung Notes. Look, it does not work here. Yeah. Let's add fingerprints, and so no, add fingerprint. Now let's see. That's the fingerprint. The power button works as a fingerprint. Look at that. Now look at that. You touch that, and yep, it's that fast. And so the one thing I was talking about, Note 10, I believe they changed it to left. It was good in the right side, the volume rocker and the power button, and that's how it is in Fold. I don't know about Fold 2 or 1, but Fold 3, this is on the right, and I love that because, you know, it's natural. Left was kind of awkward, but yes. So one of the few things that I do find appealing in a foldable phone such as Z Fold 3 or maybe Z Flip 3 is the messaging. Now, when it's folded, that's how that looks. But let's say when it's unfolded, it becomes super convenient. Look at that. So while I'm sitting down and I want to type like a computer, so the keyboard is on the bottom half of the screen, and this is where, you know, I can send stuff. I can see, so it's a bigger keyboard. And then if, you know, I don't want it like this, I want it completely open and I'm sitting down, and there we go. It's on the bottom half of the whole two screens. So it's the little things, and it is fairly light to handle. You can do it with one hand. You see that? And yep, this is not the original skin. This is, you know, a launcher skin, but I love scrolling down. I don't like flipping through pages. I like this better. So yeah, if you want, I can leave the link down below in the description. But yep, that's Galaxy Z Fold 3 unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Until next time, peace out.